when we have got these wounds which are not having patient's own skin cover, we require to buy time. And here the big thing which comes is skin allograft. So the skin grafts are basically of three types. Auto skin graft is where patient's own skin is grafted. It's called autograft, as the word suggests. Allograft is same species, that means human to human skin, is called allografting. So the skin donated from different individuals can be put on the patient's skin.
Right.
And the xenografts, where different animals like pigs are used, but allografts and xenograft, that means the skin donated from other patients or the donors or from the animals, is a temporary skin cover. It is not going to permanently take the skin of the patient. It is not going to grow as a permanent skin of the patient. It is only used to cover the skin or the wounds temporarily to prevent any infection, any septicemia, and buy time for the patient to have his own skin grown again and again when we harvest.
Right.